Welcome to my allotment diary for the first week of February 2018. Another week of cold weather with a few yellow ice warnings with some snow showers. Sunday the 4th of Feb. On the stopping of further work on the potting bench, it made sense to start the month with a tidy up of what was already inside the poly. Things best kept in the poly, but onto one of the shelves with the remaining objects taken up and taken to the storage toolbox, which incidentally suffered damage during one of the January storms. Storage on the shelves is a bit higgledy-piggledy, and some trays I think would be useful. One suggestion is these trays from Poundland at £1 each, or some similar as these I made from scrap some 10 years ago. There is a yellow warning out for snow and ice for tomorrow, which prompted me to weed the gooseberry bed to take benefit of the hard frost tomorrow. Monday the 5th of February, the snow arrived, which for us was only a light dusting, a day for staying in, to which my wife and I spent decorating one of the bedrooms. The allotment is in the confines of a power company's complex, to which they have frost warning indicators on the gates, giving their engineers to take precautions during their duties. Trolling YouTube, I came across a promotion for a Grow Garden Product Limited Polytunnel, which I found interesting. There was a number of uploads of polytunnels also show this kind of framing at the end of their structures, including the polytunnels on the Beech Grove Garden videos. So these are my thoughts as I put pen to paper. I'm putting down on paper solutions to providing ventilation in my poly, and if I could minimise the billowing effect. I would be interested to hear the experiences of other polytunnel owners, what they have with condensation or billowing of the fabric. Drawing out my polytunnel to its actual dimensions. 2. I already had a drawing of the potting bench. This was repositioned inside the poly. I added a sandbox to grow carrots, etc., and I added another one on the opposite side. 2 door frames added to gain support from the sandboxes and the potting bench. C-tray shelf also taking support from a sandbox and a potting bench, and a window positioned at the bottom potting bench end with an opening light for ventilation. 9. Sheet of plastic added under the window, door frame added with an opening light for ventilation, polytunnel with new fixtures inside. Doing the weekly shop this morning, I bought 3 pots of narcissus bulbs for £1 each from Tesco. And having failed to plant bulbs, which I purchased last November, decided to take them out of the pots and replant in one of my perimeter wood chip borders adjacent to the gooseberry patch. Friday the 9th of February, a beautiful day, but I couldn't go out to the allotment because we were expecting a delivery of furniture, which gave me plenty of time to research into the adpocalypse. 555,000 thumbs up. I'd have been more than delighted with just 55. What I discovered from the allotment community's perspective is we are small fry, nay plankton, in this large pond. The numbers we are talking about are huge, so large advertisers cannot ignore the size of this market. Therefore allotmenteers can sit tight, keep calm and upload their next video. Saturday started with heavy frost, which then turned into rain all day. But never mind, it was the Six Nations rugby, so I was well entertained. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next upload. Bye!